Hello there folks, Nathan here, hope you're all well and welcome back to unboxing videos here on my channel, where today we've got something to unbox, and as you can clearly see it is another model aircraft. And this is not just any model aircraft, this is well, the king of the skies. It's none other than the Airbus A380, and this one is in the British Airways livery. Now I have currently got a British Airways A380, but the livery is not 100% accurate on it. So I saw this one, and this looks to be a bit more accurate. So I thought, go on, I'll order myself this one. I'll upgrade my A380. Plus, this one is meant to be a little bit bigger than the one I've got now. The one I've got now is just like your standard Premier Planes Airbus A380. Whereas this one is meant to be slightly bigger. It's 1 in 250 scale. So it should be the same size as my Emirates A380 that we looked at a few years ago. There is a video on that. Go back and check on my unboxing videos. You'll see Emirates A380 unboxing. I actually unboxed that on my birthday, my 25th birthday. The 20th of June 2018. That was. All the way back in 2018. So this one is meant to be the same size as the Emirates. So that's another reason why I thought I'd get it. And just look at that picture. I mean, that's obviously of a real one. That's a picture of a real one coming into land. Airbus A380. British Airways. Also says it there as well. British Airways Airbus A380 scale 1 in 250. And then on the back, well, there's bugger all to show you on the back. So let's get it open and get it assembled, shall we? So let me have a peek inside. Let's have a look. The first things to come out are, of course, the wings. So I think we'll get those out first because it is always worth checking the wings and making sure that they are okay. Try and do it very, very gently. There we go, that's it. Right, now the wings should just come out nice and easily. Oops. There we go. That's it. Nice and gentle. There we go. So there's the wings. And the winglets are nicely intact. And obviously they're white as they would be on the real thing. The engines are fine. Just push that back on a little bit. Yeah, the engines are fine. That winglet is fine as well. Yeah, just push that engine back on like that. Yeah, they look fine. Okay, so we've got two wings. What's next? Well, of course, we have got the fuselage. And the fuselage, I've got to say, is much, much better than my other British Airways. The blue on the bottom is more accurate. So this livery just looks so much neater. So there's the fuselage. British Airways. You've got the Queen's crest on there as well. Has it got a reg? It has got a reg. I can't work it out though. I'll have a quick look at that actually. I've got my magnifying glass. Let's have a look. Right. The registration is G/XLEA. So LEA, I'm going to call her Leah. So there you go. She's already going to be given the pet name of Leah. so there's the fuselage. What else have we got? We've got the stand. That's nice. Look at that. British Airways Airbus A380 800. Yeah, my eyes are playing up. Thought it said 900 for a minute then. No, it's an 800. Is there such thing as a 900? I'm not sure. I don't think there is a 900, is there? Right, so we've got that. Of course, we need our tail fin, or vertical stabiliser, whatever you want to call it. Let's move the stand. We'll set the stand up. So, very simple. You've got the holes there in the bottom, and then on top of the stand arm. Underneath the stand arm, you've got these little plates. All you have to do is align them. I'll do it off camera so I can see. That's it. Hang on. Oh, it's a bit fiddly. Oh, gosh. It's a bit fiddly. Getting them in there. Dead accurate. That's it. Gosh, that is... Whew, that's... There we go. That's nice and secure. So that's our base. And then, of course, we've got our horizontal stabilisers. So we can fit those. So I think we're going to do that first. We'll fit those first. I usually do. So that one is for this side. Just allocate it, give it a push, and there you go. It slots in like that. And then we've got this one, which also pushes in like that. And then, of course, the vertical stabiliser or tail fin goes on top. Push that down, and oh, God, that's a bit loose. Might glue that. Wow, that is very... Now, I think the hole's been made a little bit too big for the wings. That's a bit loose, that one. Never mind. There we go. Right, let's get the main wings on. So we've got this one, which goes in here. Hang on. Just hold it up like that, just so I can make sure it goes in properly. Yeah, there's one. And then here's the other one. Oh, see, that wing's fallen out. Yeah, I'm going to have to get some glue for that, I think. It's not broken. It's not broken, it's just very, very loose. Alright, let's try it again. Maybe we'll put that one in first and slot this one in second. Maybe there's a way of doing it. Maybe they lock in a certain way. No, that is very, very loose. That's a shame. Oh dear. It's quite warm today as well. That's it. Right, that is locked in. Has that locked it in a bit? No. No, that is still very, very loose. I don't know whether you're meant to push them forward slightly or... Yeah. Yeah, that maybe could do with gluing. Still, never mind. The aircraft is assembled. So let's pop her on the stand. And we'll have a look, shall we? Give it a jiggle, make sure it goes on. And that is quite secure. That's not going to come off. Wow, doesn't she look beautiful? So there we go then. That is the assembled aircraft. So we'll just have a quick look at her. You can see that the wings are actually flexed downwards as well, like they would when it's on the ground. And if I just show you, you can see how they curve. You can see how the wings curve like that when it's on the ground. But of course, when it's in flight, they straighten out like that. So this is, what's this side? Is that passenger side or cargo side? That's cargo side. Let me have a look. No. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, there's that winglet. Look at that. Beautiful. Got some APU detailing there. Coming round to the other side. This is the cargo side, I think. Also see, has it got the reg on the wing? Under the wing? I think it has. Oh no, it has this side. Hasn't that side. You can just about see the forward cargo door there. And you can see the windows at the front there, the window configuration at the on the bottom deck, the 2-2-2-2. That's obviously where that's where first class is. And then of course the flight deck is somewhere in between the two decks. And then underneath, have we got any detailing underneath? I can't see anything. Not really. No, there's not really any detailing under there. Not that there really needs to be. On top, anything? Oh yeah, you can see the beacon lights there. It's obviously 2 beacon lights because it's a wider bodied aircraft. That's cool. I never actually knew that. I didn't know that the A380 had 2 beacon lights. Well, I'm guessing it probably has 2 underneath as well. But yeah, very nice model. So I think I will go and add this to the collection now then. And we can wrap up this video. So just a very quick unboxing and a brief review. And that is our new Airbus A380 Lear. As again, the registration is G/XLEA. So just forget the G and the X. And the LEA, Lear. There you go, that's why I've come up with the name. So, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. And until the next video, or whatever, or indeed whenever that may be, it just remains for me to say, take care. Stay safe, and as Grandad Murray used to say, stay happy. And from here in the UK, it's currently 11:15, so I will bid you a very good morning.